In this video tutorial, we're going to give a brief introduction to Finder and a Finder window. The first thing you should be aware of is that Finder is an application that is always running on your Mac. So if you've restarted your computer from being turned off overnight, or this is the first time you're turning on your computer, or pretty much any time, you'll know that Finder is running, and it also could be running in the background if you open other applications. What Finder is more typically used for is to locate files in order to open them or save them in various parts of your computer. So I'm going to open a Finder window by coming down to the dock here, finding this smiley face, which is Finder, just clicking on it once, and it will open a Finder window. So you can think of a Finder window as a map of your computer. And the different areas of the map, the more commonly accessed or utilized areas of your computer are saved over here in what we call the sidebar. The sidebar is this left-hand column, and it has some commonly used areas, like I was saying, already set for you. Your sidebar may look a little bit different than mine, but I'm sure it has some of the same options. So, for example, if I click on the desktop area here, this to-do list in this folder or area is the same to-do list here that I actually see on the physical desktop. Similarly, if I go to the applications area of my computer, these are all the different applications that I have installed on this Mac. Within the Finder window, you also have a couple different viewing options. So I'm in the applications area, and here's all my applications. Right now I have this option selected, which shows me these applications in a column view. So for example, if I want to see what's inside this 1Password folder and I click on it, I can see that there's a 1Password application inside of it. These other items that are just applications, there's nothing inside of those. But this is a column view. I can also view all these items in a list view. And now that I'm on a list view, you can see that the way it operates is if I click on this little arrow, it expands like this. But you can see the same sort of behavior here in a list view. This first view is called icon view, and it just displays all the same content again, but with larger icons. You may just have to scroll around a little bit more. And the last viewing option is called screen flow. Screen flow gives you a combination of list view here and icon view above, where the idea is that I can kind of click and drag different applications here to get through if you like that. Or I can arrow down here and it gives you the preview up above. So those are some of the different viewing options you have within a Finder window.